Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the intraday videos today. Guys, now we're showing the euro dollar on the dailies. Alright. By seconds, our strong long bias is proven. The US dollar, the euro has dropped from this area, which is around the 76.4, or this area. All you guys know about it. We've been covering all videos. Now, the big question is, which scenarios we can play? And I would like to say there is only two scenarios possible at this stage of the game. Both scenarios, the bullish US dollar, bullish euro. Okay, now let's start with this. Let's take the RSI first, and let's play in the two scenarios. This is A, and then we got A, B, C, D, and we go down on the E wave. Second scenario. This is A, and then we got, this is A, and then we got the flat B, and then we got W, S, and we're gonna be down in 3 waves to the second scenario that was referring every day. So technically it goes like this, or it goes from here. But both of the scenarios, the bullish first level to watch is the triangle, second level to watch is around 39, 38 area. Now, how you as a trader will be able to notice which one is in place? Very simple, guys. That's why the RSI is the best tool to make trades. Now, this is the triangle, right? Let's forget about the triangle. Let's forget about the market. Let's move on to the RSI, and this is what we have on the RSI. If you guys notice, we got the trend line right here. This is the daily RSI. We have the RSI here on the daily, and we have the trend line from the lows on the RSI. Let me open it out and show it to you. Technically speaking, the RSI for the triangle, forget about the price action, for the triangle to hold and to be the one in place, this level around 45 on the daily RSI needs to hold. Now it looks like we have the A wave here. When you see clear move, we have the A waves. It is possible that the euro can go higher, lower, and test it. Now, a breaking of this outtrend line in the RSI on the dailies is going to be a sign of weakness in the euro, and then that's going to take the euro to around 138, and that's going to be the second scenario that we've been talking about it. That's been the case for the euro, and then you trace this trend line right here, and you postpone this trend line here, and this trend line should hold in order for that scenario to happen. Also, you can trace trend lines from the lows, like right here, that needs to hold like this area 30 or 32 to create a bullish euro. So you guys understand that technically all you need to worry now is the downside needs to hold around 146 in the daily RSI for the euro to trade higher and be in the triangle against the overall market, the euro, the S&P, and the oil. They're proving the triangle. Alright, so let's leave it there and get back to you guys later. This should be an area around market wise 42.80. You see 47.65 should be the case. This should be the area around 142.80, 142.40 in the real market. Okay guys, leave it there. I'll get back later.